Yukta crackdown on corruption. Raids are currently underway at 54 different locations. 12 government officials are under the lens of the Lokayukta. So another Lokayukta crackdown on corrupt babus in the state. Raids are currently on at 54 locations and about 100 officers and staff are taking part in the raids. The Lokayukta lens is on 12 government officials. Deepak, amid the graft charge on the Karnataka government officials also in the dock. 54 locations, 12 officials under the radar. What more information do we have?
Yes, the lens is now on at least about 12 officials, and as you mentioned, over 50 locations right now being searched. About 100 officials of the Lokayukta at least who are right now, on the ground looking for disproportionate assets from these, corrupt officials, or at least suspected corrupt officials at this point in time. And very soon, whenever we see, of course, Lokayukta raids happen, and by about 10 or 11, while of course they do get hold of some information and also the evidence is inside, they do put out some pictures which show huge amounts of money, jewelry, their fancy cars, big bungalows. So very soon, of course, this could come in. They will be scrutinizing various documents as well. This will primarily be to see the kind of properties and the wealth that they've amassed, which is disproportionate to their income. And more importantly, at this point in time, in Shimoga, in Yadgir, in Bengaluru rural, and Mangaluru, multiple places, of course, these searches currently underway.
Okay, all right. Deepak, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you for those updates. For now, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back with the top stories. Stay with us.